Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel My Target 100%. I think all of you must have seen my last videos. That last video was revision notes based on motion in a plane, and most important video, that is why electrons cannot exist inside the nucleus. Okay, try to watch complete video. Okay, anyway, today I am going to provide a notes based upon electric current, class 12 physics, unit 2, chapter 3. Okay, before going to give notes, just I am going to discuss about the important questions, important topics of electric current or current electricity. Let us start now. So current electricity, most important, you know, there are two types of electricity. One is current electricity and a static electricity, that you have already read in chapter 1. Flow of charge, current electricity. If charge is not flowing, that is charge is at rest, it is static electricity. Then I is equal to Q by T, so that is electric current. But when I is equal to limit delta T tends to 0, delta Q by delta T is equal to dQ by dt, it is known as instantaneous current. After that, most important is drift velocity. That is drift velocity. First, we should know the drift velocity. It is the average velocity or mean velocity with which the electrons are drifted from one end to another end under the influence of electric field. Okay, there are a number of definitions you can write. But first important question is, for the examination point of view, for CBSE examination, relation between electric field and Vd. That is electric field. This in electric field, if you find the drift velocity minus E by m into tau. This is the first relation between electric field and drift velocity. But another one is relation between electric current and drift velocity. I is equal to NA E Vd, where every symbols have their usual meaning. Number of electrons per unit volume. Okay, area cross section of conductor. Charge, electronic charge, minus 1.6 into 10 to minus 19 coulomb, drift velocity. Then another one is microscopic form of Ohm's law. J is equal to sigma E. Sigma, conductivity, the reciprocal of resistivity, and J is equal to current density. But you must remember, electric current is scalar quantity, but current density is a vector quantity. It does not obey the law of vector addition. Which one? Electric current. Now, come to point. Important question answer. Another is limitations of Ohm's law. Okay. Before going to, you should know the resistance. So, resistance is the property of a conductor which opposes the flow of a charge through it or flow of electric current through it. So, that is Ohm's law. R is equal to V by I. R is equal to rho L by A. But here, relation between rho and N E square tau. So, what you are observing? It is resistivity, relaxation time. Most important. Then come to point, limitation of Ohm's law. This is the important question. Another one is classification of materials on the basis of resistance and resistivity. It is also one important question. Then come to point, resistance are connected in series. While you are connected in series, the total sum is equal to how much? Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 if there are two resistance. But in parallel, this one, understand? But question is, here is current is constant, here potential difference is constant, but it is mostly maximum important for numericals. Then cells are in series and parallel. Wheatstone bridge चार resistance होता है, P by Q and R by S. It is a device which is used to determine the unknown resistance. Okay, that is P by Q. If you are using P by Q is equal to R by S, it is balanced when there is no electric current. Ig is equal to 0. When there is no electric current flows through the galvanometer. Okay, then this condition is satisfied. If it is based on this one, then it is known as balanced Wheatstone bridge. Like this one, slide wire bridge or meter bridge, it is only 1 meter, consists of manganese or constantan. It is also used to measure the unknown resistance. But here, this one is R by S is equal to L by 100 minus L, as it is 1 meter. So, what will calculate? So, if you do this one, what will calculate? It is unknown resistance. So S is equal to SL is equal to how much? 100 minus L into R. So S is equal to this one. You just got it. This is then Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law is of two types. One is current law, another is voltage law. Summation of I is equal to 0, another is summation of delta V is equal to 0. Otherwise, summation of E is equal to IR. Summation of EMF is equal to summation of IR. Okay. Then come to point potentiometer. Potentiometer is a device to measure the potential difference, comparison of EMF for two primary cells, internal resistance. Most important is I am erasing this one. Okay, just potentiometer I am telling about. If it is V proportional L, so V is equal to KL, so K is equal to V by L. That is known as potential gradients. Then potentiometer, mainly important question is if you calculate the internal resistance. This question is maximum coming in your examination. Okay, this question is coming in your examination. How can you calculate this value? R is equal to E by V minus 1 into R, or R is equal to L1 by L2 minus 1 into R. Because in comparison of two primary cells, you know this one, E1 by E2 is equal to L1 by L2. So this much, and you have to practice. And at last, I want to say, if you like my video, try to share it among your friends or relatives. Okay, I think all of you understand why I am giving this one. Before collecting notes, I am just telling rapidly, these are the important contents, important points, important topics, which is most important for your examination of point of view. Okay, now thank you, have a good day, best of luck.